Hi guys, jraiw here with another video, and as you've seen in the title, I did a turmeric face mask. So if you're struggling like me with acne, scarring, hyperpigmentation, and anything of the sort relating to your skin, dryness, dullness, all that craziness, you want to stay tuned and watch this video right here. And don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button below, and I will see you. Okay, so after 3 days of trying the turmeric mask, I will say that overall I'm a little impressed. I noticed that my skin is a little bit brighter, it's less dull. My skin is a little bit softer, and I equate that primarily to the glycerin and the honey that I added to my mixture. I will say, like, the darkening that's like around my mouth area and like around my nose where my glasses sit is a little bit, I would say that it's a little bit lighter, you know. And this mark right here did lighten up just a little bit. Around my jawline where the majority of my problems are, I would say that it's just about the same. I can't tell much of a difference, and I don't know if that's because a lot of the scarring is from, like, you know, just years of me just picking at, you know, cystic acne. That's a lot of it is like right around here, and I have ingrown hairs also. But what I will say is that, like, right around here, right here, there is a pretty large ingrown that did open up over, I think it was like day 2 that I was using the mask. And right along here, the scabbing that I had softened up, so I was able to basically, you know, rub that off. What I'm gonna do is, I would not say that I would use the turmeric mask as a regular part in my regimen. I'll probably go to it maybe once a month just for that brightening effect. What I'm gonna do is try to incorporate more water. We all need to, you know, drink more water anyway. Incorporate more water into my diet. And also what I want to do is get back to using the tea tree oil on my skin. I noticed when I was using tea tree oil directly on my skin, and yes, I know a lot of people say don't use tea tree oil directly on your skin, but it did work for me. It was healing. It was, I think it was a little bit nourishing to my skin. It didn't burn or anything like that. It actually did heal up a lot of the acne that's underneath the skin. So I might consider doing the tea tree oil probably 3 times a week, and again, washing my face, cleansing my face, and adding the tea tree oil as a spot treatment, and doing that at night and in the morning, and I'll see how that goes. But as for now, turmeric, it was good. It was messy. Now, one thing I will say is that it is messy, so if you have any shirts or towels that you don't want to mess up, then make sure that you find something that is getting ready to go to the laundry or whatever, because it's gonna be stained. And make sure you have bleach on hand to clean your sink out, because when you're rinsing, it's gonna stain it depending on what type of porcelain or whatever you have around your sink area. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it helps somebody. I did not go to full 5 days because after 3 days I was not really getting the results, and I didn't want to continue putting some on my skin because I didn't want to, for one, I didn't want to keep making a mess, and for 2, I felt as though I saw enough of a change in my skin to make an improved decision whether or not I wanted to continue or not. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, comments, or anything that you use for your own acne or hyperpigmentation on your skin, please let me know in the comment field below. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscription button below. And yeah, have a beautiful day and have a beautiful life. Bye.